The Litheli Cordless Leaf Blower. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Litheli 20V Cordless Leaf Blower. This can be used for blowing leaves, cleaning dust, walkways, or your garage. I will go over specs, features, and then demonstrate the product. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The blower comes in a simple box packaging, and inside you get the blower tube, blower, user guide, battery, and charger. This is the 20V cordless version. It has variable speed up to 85 miles per hour and a max airflow of 350 cubic feet per minute. It's lightweight, coming in at 4.4 pounds. 1 hour quick charge with its 4000 milliamp battery. It has overheat, overcharge, and circuit protection. It can run 25 to 30 minutes on the low setting and 15 minutes on the high. The blower is lightweight with a soft, easy to grip handle on the top. It also has the variable speed control adjustments for the airflow from 1 through 4 to max speed. You also have the branding on the sides. On the back you'll find the slot for the battery, which just slides in, and you can see the vents for the air intake. It has a detachable blower tube, and installing it is simple, it just snaps into place. The charger has LED lights and indicators that will tell you the state of the battery charge. The battery feels solid, and on the sides you have the buttons to unlock it from the charger or blower. You also have a button to test the current charge. And charging is straightforward, just slide the battery in the charger until it clicks into place and wait for the LEDs to light up. Now I'll demonstrate the blower working, cycling through the different settings. Overall, I found the blower to be powerful, and it's lightweight. It can handle a variety of tasks from leaves to cleaning up spaces like your walkway or your garage. So that is my review of the Litheli 20V Cordless Leaf Blower. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.